Section 2, there are two parts. It's a small section. There are two parts, like general parts, some administrative ideas, how to apply for permit, for inspection, ESA inspection. There are information that we have to use when we design, specify equipment, materials. It should be CSA approved. Yes, CSA approved in US or Canada. Anyway, it's CSA approved. This section also about large part of this section, it's distances between equipment and electrical room. First of all, most important rule, very often we use it, it's 1 meter distance from panel. This is why width also should be 1 meter or size of panel. If size of panel more than 1 meter, it will be size of panel, but 1 meter minimum. So you cannot locate anything here in front of panel, no table, nothing. You cannot locate panel inside kitchen board, yes, kitchen board, if there is a counter here, for example. You cannot locate transformer, dry transformer, floor mounted, below panel. It should be always high if you don't have space, ceiling mounted or wall mounted. It's important rule when we locate panel in apartments. We're always searching for correct location of panel based on this rule. 1 meter rule, nothing should be in front. Doors or walls cannot be in front 1 meter. This section is about how to locate large equipment in electrical rooms. It's 1 meter rule, the same rule, but for large equipment. See this like a small electrical room with panel or switchboard, which is less than 1200 ampere. And it's low voltage, less than 1200 ampere, voltage 1200 will 1 meter rule. Plus B it's if you have special draw, yes, draw out device, circuit breakers which will be draw out, special circuit breakers, yes, with draw out, we should include this distance as well for this rule, 1 meter rule. This one important, it's electrical equipment, still less than 1200 ampere, low voltage, or any ampere over. So if this is high voltage, for example, but this one, this is still 1 meter rule. Difference only here starting. You have 1.5 meter, another rule 1.5 meter. Where? If it's more than 1200 ampere equipment. Also this section finishing with isolating switch, this disconnect switch for condensing unit, for townhouses, for this detached houses location, and gas meter.